I'm excited to share my wash and go routine for my little one who has a beautiful fussy hair. So guys, stay tuned and watch to the end. Oh, it's Rita, baby. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita. So today I'm going to be showing you how I care for my little one's hair. I have so many requests from you all asking how to take care of a little one's hair, so I thought it was a perfect time to show you my process. So I started by gently taking down her old braids. To make this easier, I sprayed her with her hair actually with my homemade clove tea. This not only hydrates her hair but also helps to soften those braids before I take them down. I don't know what actually happened to my video. I thought I showed how I applied my leave-in conditioner, my homemade leave-in conditioner on her head after spraying the clove tea. I don't just know what happened here, but what I did first was to spray her with the homemade clove tea, and then I applied the leave-in conditioner before taking down her hair. So once I had all her hair all loose and fluffy, I reached out for 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. But that's not all. I like to amp up the moisture by mixing in my homemade hair mask, which is packed with nourishing ingredients like avocado, banana, fenugreek, coconut oil, and castor oil. These ingredients works wonders for keeping our curls healthy and hydrated. If you have watched this video up to this moment, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. So I divided our hair into 4 manageable sections. This makes it easier to apply the shampoo marks evenly. As I applied the marks, I noticed how effortlessly it helped to detangle her hair, providing a fantastic sleep that makes her tight coils more manageable. Yeah. Na, 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 na. Bouncy. Yeah. Na, 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 na. After applying the marks, I set up my inflatable basin to start washing her hair. This is a fun little setup that makes bath time enjoyable, but it's not a bath time anyway. Yeah. Na, 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 na. Yeah. Na, 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 na. Yeah. Once I finish rinsing out the marks, I gently dry her hair with a soft towel and remove excess water. Then it's time to add some moisture back in. I applied my homemade leave-in conditioner, which keeps her curls soft and defined. Yeah. Na, 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 na. Yeah. Na, 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 na. I'm going to be adding gel to this hair. This is her hair before I started adding any gel in it, and this is the gel I'm going to use for extra coils. I had to work in sessions here, just a little session, not little by little here, because I can't just start applying the gel of all over her head just like that. So I just got some clips and clipping her head and start using a little amount of gel just to define her coils more. This routine is just what I do if I don't want to plait her hair or anything, because sometimes it's not easy for me to just grab her and say, come here, let me make your hair. No, she's always running around and she doesn't really want me to touch her hair. But sometimes I just have to chat her up and tell her, oh baby, come, let's make your hair. Or just show her some pictures. Do you want to do your hair like this? And she'll be like, yeah, 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 yeah. So that's how we get our hair done. So here you can also use brush to define that curls. I use a brush here just to show you you can use a brush. Yeah. Na, 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 na. At the point, I noticed that she started to get a bit tired and she doesn't even want me to continue again. Look at her pulling my dress. I was trying to talk to her, trying to make her, make her stay so that I can finish this. She's already tired. I know it's not an easy task for moms to just grab the kids and let's come here, let me make your hair, especially if the kids are toddlers. It's not easy. So tell me how you just get your child to sit down and you make the child's hair. I can't wait for you all to see how gorgeous her coils turned out. If you're looking for fun and effective way to care for your child's natural hair, give this routine a try. The next thing I also did was to use my hair growth oil just to give it a shine and also stimulate hair growth. And this is a coils when it's still wet. I also blow dry it on a low heat just to make sure her hair is a bit dry. Because she's a child, she could just go on the sofa and just stain the chair or something. So that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. So look at the coils after I blow dry it. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh, so coily. So in fact, I really loved it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Yeah.